I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your balance on your Freedom Canada prepaid card is straightforward. Follow these steps to get your balance quickly. Step 1. Visit the Freedom mobile website. Go to the official Freedom mobile website using your browser. This is where you can access your account information. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the src.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to Account Overview. Once logged in, look for the Account Overview on My Account section. This is where you can find all your account details, including your balance. Step 4. Check your balance. In the Account Overview section, your current balance should be displayed prominently. If you have multiple cards, make sure you select the correct one. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, remember to log out of your account to keep your information secure. Look for the log out option, usually found in the top right corner. If you forget to log out, someone else using the same device could access your account, so always remember to do this. I hope this helps you check your balance easily. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.